Alright, the situation is that ever since I moved here, there's these strange noises that happen every morning at about 8:45 a.m.
The sounds are moaning and groaning.
So, either somebody's having some great sex, or they're taking a dump outside every morning at 8:45 a.m.
And so here it is, 8:45 a.m., and we're going to find out what the hell this noise is that happens every morning at this time. Okay, that's him now, hold on. Oh, it's some jogger dude, so that's what's causing it. Is the performance over?
There we go.
Oh.